to understand that a lot of what is nutritious and tasty doesn't always look that fantastic, but these are crispy on the outside and nice and creamy in the middle with those ground chickpeas and the vegetables. My chickpea fritters really are awesome. I hope you try them. To cook the chickpea fritters, all you do is take your little patties that you've made, and I always test to make sure that the oil is hot enough. And as long as you hear that sizzle when you put the little test piece in, then you know the oil is hot enough and you're good to go. So I just put these in real quickly. And you want to make sure you have about 1/4 of an inch of oil in the pan so that they don't end up sticking. So once they start to get browned on one side, you just flip them over until they're browned on the other side, and then they're done. You can serve them with a salad. You could put them in a tortilla with some hummus or some tahini and a little bit of lettuce and tomato and make a little sandwich or a wrap out of it. Or you can just eat them plain and dip them into your favorite dipping sauce or salad dressing. These are my chickpea fritters. I hope you like them.